So I've had a few people ask me how I make my homemade sriracha, so I figured I might make it for you today. This is jalapeno, canned jalapeno with that garlic, like, I don't know, 8 cloves, and yellow red pepper. And I did the green jalapeno to add a little bit of heat to it, and I like the smokiness of the char, just some Himalayan sea salt and rags amino acids, which is, I mean, they say regular vinegar, but whatever. You just want to make sure that that's fully dissolved. And don't hate on my fingernail polish, because I know I'm a single mom. Okay, I do what I do. The charring, like, it just depends on really how meaty the vegetable is. I put it for about 525 on a broil in my cast iron skillet, and I just do that until it's like half black. So, you know, on the outside. And sometimes people put olive oil on theirs. I don't. But it also depends on what I'm making. There's not any oil in this recipe, so I don't want to add that, you know. Normally it's made with chilies. I also occasionally add a little bit of onion to mine sometimes. I don't know. I'm just feeling like mixing it up a little bit. And incorporate these two. And you just really want it to be dissolved. It doesn't have to boil, just dissolved. You're going to incorporate those, let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, whatever you think you want, depending on, you know, how chunky you want yours, essentially. I mean, I know basically, or traditionally, it's very smooth and people strain it, but you might want it thicker or chunkier, so that's just up to you. This is about, I would say, 8 to 10 minutes on a low rolling boil, which is just about where I like it. It doesn't taste much different to me if you do it either way. I forgot how much I'm supposed to use a long time ago. So I use just this organic cane sugar, and you just like dump a little bit in there. So just do about 2 big ass spoons, and we're just gonna see how it tastes. So, when I know my burners are kind of dirty because we have a new roommate that doesn't do shit, and I'm not gonna do it for him. And in the end, I'm gonna end up doing it for him. But I'm pretending like I'm not. I have to keep a clean house because I have a child, and I like it clean. So, anyways, just stir that up and let it set for about, I would say, about 5 minutes at the same heat. I forgot to say also, because whenever you blend them, they're also going to release a lot of sugars on their own. So I can't say that right now it's going to be an accurate taste until then. Since I never do anything the right way, like ever, I kind of just, they say to add the sugar and let it simmer longer and then like taste it to taste. I personally just throw that shit in the blender after I've added a little bit of sugar, and then I will kind of let it sit, you know, I'll do to taste there, I'll add a little sugar and hit a zhuzh in the blender, because it's going to be so hot anyways. In my opinion, it's going to continue to cook that flavor in. So there you go. If you know how to, you know, use YouTube and look up recipes, I'm sure you know how to use a blender. So just do it for about 5 minutes until you get to a consistency that you like. So on mine, you'll see that it is a little bit more of an orange color. I use the yellow pepper because I try not to waste my vegetables, meat, things of that nature. I have a pretty full freezer because I will take my vegetables before they turn and I will freeze them in my fruit, and so I can use them for a later date for a smoothie or something of that nature. So if you like this, hit the subscribe and like, of course, and tell me what you thought.